Most people think gardening means daily watering, expensive fertilizer, pest sprays, and constant work. But what if I told you some of the best vegetables on earth actually grow better when you ignore them? Right now, there are plants growing in empty lots, roadside cracks, abandoned gardens, and poor soil plants people call weeds. But decades ago, these were everyday food crops. They fed families during droughts, wars, and hard times. And today, they're still growing without care, without chemicals, without permission. These vegetables don't beg for attention. They survive heat, cold, neglect, and bad soil. Some come back every year on their own. Some spread so easily. You'll wonder why you ever bought seeds at all. And the strangest part? Most gardeners walk past them every single day without realizing they're stepping on free food. Modern gardening has become complicated. We're told we need perfect soil, perfect sunlight, perfect fertilizer schedules, and endless products just to grow a few leaves of lettuce. But gardening wasn't always like this. Before chemical fertilizers, before seed catalogs, before weekly watering routines, people relied on vegetables that could survive on neglect. These plants didn't need rich soil, they didn't need daily care, and they definitely didn't need constant replanting. Many of them were perennial, many of them self-seeded, and many of them thrived in places where proper vegetables failed completely. Over time, these plants were labeled as weeds not because they were useless, but because they were too independent. They didn't fit into modern farming systems. You couldn't easily control them, sell fertilizer for them, or force them into neat rows. So they slowly disappeared from gardens. Today, I'm going to show you 13 forgotten vegetables that grow like weeds, plants that are perfect for lazy gardeners, busy people, beginners, and anyone tired of fighting their garden. Let's start with the first forgotten vegetable, one that most people pull out and throw away without realizing it's more nutritious than spinach. 1. Purslane is one of the most misunderstood plants on earth. Most gardeners rip it out the moment they see it creeping along the soil. But this so-called weed is actually one of the most nutritious leafy vegetables you can grow. It thrives in extreme heat, poor soil, and drought conditions, where other vegetables simply give up. Purslane spreads low and wide, protecting the soil like living mulch while feeding you tender, slightly lemony leaves. It requires no fertilizer, no special care, and often grows better when ignored. Once it appears in your garden, it usually comes back every year on its own, free food with zero effort. 2. Lamb's quarters. Wild spinach. Lamb's quarters was once a common food crop before modern spinach took over. Ironically, it's far more nutritious and much easier to grow. This plant thrives in disturbed soil, compost piles, and neglected garden corners. It self-seeds aggressively, meaning you plant it once and harvest it forever. The leaves taste like mild spinach and can be eaten raw or cooked. Lamb's quarters doesn't care about poor soil, inconsistent watering, or heat. In fact, it often grows best where other plants struggle. For lazy gardeners, this plant is a dream. It grows fast, feeds you well, and never asks for attention. 3. Malabar spinach. Like regular spinach that bolts and dies in summer heat, Malabar spinach thrives in hot, humid weather. This fast-growing vine loves neglect and poor soil, climbing fences, trellises, or anything nearby. Once established, it keeps producing thick, juicy leaves all summer long. Malabar spinach rarely suffers from pests and doesn't demand constant watering. Even better, it regrows quickly after harvesting. For gardeners in warm climates, this plant replaces traditional spinach entirely. It turns vertical space into endless food and keeps growing when everything else wilts, making it perfect for low-effort, high-reward gardening. 4. Walking onions. Walking onions are one of the most fascinating vegetables you'll ever grow. Instead of producing flowers, they grow tiny onion bulbs at the top of their stalks. When the stalk bends, those bulbs touch the ground, root themselves, and walk across your garden. These onions are incredibly cold-hardy, drought-tolerant, and nearly impossible to kill. You never need to replant them. They multiply on their own year after year. Every part is edible, from green shoots to mature bulbs. for lazy gardeners. Walking onions are the definition of plant once, harvest forever. Gardening 5. Good King Henry is an old European vegetable that has almost disappeared from modern gardens. It's a perennial green that returns every spring without replanting. The young leaves can be cooked like spinach, while the shoots can be eaten like asparagus. This plant thrives in poor soil, partial shade, and neglect. Once established, it requires almost no maintenance at all. Good King Henry grows slowly but steadily, providing reliable harvests for many years. For gardeners who don't want to replant every season, this forgotten vegetable quietly delivers food without drama or effort. 6. Sweet potato greens. Most people grow sweet potatoes for the tubers, but the real secret is the leaves. Sweet potato vines grow aggressively, spreading across the soil and choking out weeds while producing endless edible greens. The leaves are nutritious, tender, and delicious when cooked. This plant thrives in heat, poor soil, and inconsistent watering. Even if the tubers fail, the greens keep coming. Sweet potato vines act as living ground cover, reducing evaporation and soil erosion. For lazy gardeners, this is a double win: food above ground, food below ground, and almost no maintenance required. 7. Sorrel. Sorrel is one of the earliest vegetables to appear in spring, often pushing through cold soil before anything else. Wakes up, its lemony-flavored leaves add brightness to salads, soups, and cooked dishes. Sorrel is a perennial plant that comes back year after year without replanting. It tolerates poor soil, light shade, and neglect remarkably well. Once established, it grows vigorously and requires only occasional harvesting. Sorrel thrives when other greens are still struggling, making it a reliable food source during early seasons. For gardeners who want effortless, early harvests, sorrel is pure gold. 8. Perennial kale looks similar to regular kale, but behaves very differently. Instead of dying after one season, it can live for 5 to 7 years or more. It doesn't bolt easily, tolerates cold temperatures, and keeps producing leaves throughout the year in mild climates. Once established, perennial kale requires far less care than annual varieties. You don't need to replant, time harvests perfectly, or worry about flowering. Just pick leaves when you need them. For lazy gardeners, this plant removes one of the biggest chores in gardening, starting over every year. 9. Garlic chives. Garlic chives are nearly indestructible. They survive frost, drought, poor soil, and neglect while continuing to produce flavorful leaves. Unlike regular chives, they have a mild garlic taste and can be harvested repeatedly throughout the year. Garlic chives slowly spread and form dense clumps, helping suppress weeds naturally. They also attract beneficial insects when flowering. Once planted, they require almost nothing: no fertilizer, no special care, and minimal watering. For lazy gardeners, garlic chives provide consistent flavor, easy harvesting, and long-term reliability with almost zero effort involved. 10. Egyptian spinach. Molochia. Egyptian spinach, also known as Molochia, thrives in intense heat where traditional leafy greens fail completely. This fast-growing plant loves poor soil and hot sun and can be harvested repeatedly throughout the growing season. The leaves are commonly used in soups and stews across Africa and the Middle East. Once established, it grows rapidly and requires very little care. Even pests tend to ignore it. For gardeners living in hot climates, Egyptian spinach fills the gap left by bolting lettuce and spinach, providing dependable greens with minimal attention. 11. Dandelion. Dandelions are one of the most hated plants and one of the most useful. Every part of the dandelion is edible: leaves, flowers, and roots. They grow everywhere in any soil with no watering or care. Dandelion greens are rich in vitamins and minerals and were once a common food crop. This plant doesn't need planting, fertilizing, or protection. It appears on its own year after year. For lazy gardeners, dandelions redefine gardening entirely. Nature does all the work and you simply harvest what's already growing. 12. Tree collards. Tree collards are a perennial leafy green that can grow 8 to 10 feet tall in warm climates. Unlike regular collards, they don't die after one season. Once established, they produce massive amounts of leaves continuously. Tree collards tolerate drought, poor soil, and minimal care far better than most greens. You simply harvest leaves as needed and the plant keeps growing. One plant can feed a family for years. For lazy gardeners with limited space, tree collards provide unmatched productivity with shockingly low maintenance requirements. 13. Upland crescibland cress is a fast-growing, peppery green that thrives in shade and poor soil places where most vegetables refuse to grow. It germinates quickly and can be harvested multiple times throughout the season. This plant doesn't require full sun, rich compost, or constant watering. In fact, it often performs best in neglected garden corners. Upland cress is ideal for gardeners struggling with low light conditions. For lazy gardeners, it turns unusable space into reliable food with almost no effort, proving that even shade can be productive. What all of these vegetables have in common isn't that they're rare or exotic. It's that they don't need you. They grow without perfect soil. They grow without constant watering. They grow without fertilizer schedules, sprays, or stress. These plants fed people long before gardening became complicated, and they're still here today not because we maintain them carefully, but because they survived neglect. You don't need to grow all 13. Just one or two of these vegetables can completely change how you think about gardening. Instead of fighting nature, you let nature do the work for you. So next time you see a weed, don't rush to pull it out. It might be food, it might be medicine, it might be the easiest harvest you'll ever grow. If you believe gardening should be simple, resilient, and low effort, give this video a like. It helps more people find these forgotten plants. Comment below which one surprised you the most, and subscribe if you want more lazy gardener secrets that actually work, because the best gardens don't demand perfection, they grow anyway.